a shopkeeper, carwala, buys a cycle for rupees 1200 and mark price he marks it for rupees 2000. Meera goes for the shopkeeper. Shopkeeper agrees for a 15% discount. She gives a rupee 2000 note. The shopkeeper does not have the change, so he goes to the neighboring shop owner, Pados Dham. He gives him rupees 2000 note, takes 20 notes of rupees 100 each, 2000. He gives the cycle and 300 back. Obviously, he had given 15% discount, so selling price was 1700. The next day, the neighbor comes back and tells Carwala that it was fake. Carwala, to keep his image, tears it off. So this 2000 note is of no use. Raddi paper, gives back rupees 2000 to the neighbor. What is the loss amount? First of all, look, we are doing puzzles right now, but in our basic classes we have done profit and loss. Otherwise, the basics of profit and loss, what goes out of our pocket is our cost. What all goes out of our pocket is cost, and what comes in is our selling. This is the cost price, this is CP, and this is SP. Look, just answer a simple question. If the shopkeeper loses the cycle, what is his loss amount? Listen, if the shopkeeper loses the cycle, what is his loss amount? His mark price, Carwala's mark price is 2000. But the cost price is what? 1200. So if he loses the cycle, if the cycle is stolen, his loss is only 1200. Look, you all know, if you want to study in detail every topic, every maths topic, you can go to our app, the Pankaj Gandhi app. It is available on Google Play Store. This app is available on Google Play Store. Download that app and all the topics you can study on that app. Profit, loss, allegation, permutation, everything. So let's come back to the question. He buys it for 1200, marks it for rupees 2000. The shopkeeper agrees for 15% discount, hands over the $2000 rupee note. The shopkeeper does not have change. So first of all, understand. Let's break. Many of you are giving wrong answers. Many of you are thinking in wrong manner. So first of all, understand with neighbor. With the neighbor, is there any loss? No. He gave neighbor, one day he gives the 2000 rupee note, gives, and got what? 100 notes of 25. Next day what happened is, how he gave and all that, forget about it. He gave to the neighbor what? 100 rupee, any rupee ka 20 notes, and what he got is the same 2000 rupee note back. I repeat, with neighbor he gave 2000 rupees note, got 20 notes of 100 back. Next day he is required to give back this, but he got. So in the whole process with neighbor, there is no profit or no loss. With neighbor, he got, next day he gave back, he gave, next day he got back. Please understand, with neighbor there is no loss. The loss is this note is fake. Means this note is of no use. This note of 2000 is no use because he tears it off next day. So what is his loss? To Meera he gave the cycle. To Meera he has given cycle which costed him 1200. His loss is the cost price, and 300 rupee change which he gave to Meera. So shopkeeper's total loss will be cycle's cost price 1200 and what 300 he gave to Meera. I know some of you are still confused, but I thought this was the best way of explaining. You go to neighbor, give 2000 rupee note, he gives you 100 rupees 20 notes. Next day you give him 100 rupees 20 notes. Now some of you are thinking how he gave 20. Other way I'll try to explain here. Other way I'll try. You go to neighbor. Neighbor, you give 2000 rupee note. He gives you 100 rupees 20 notes, out of which 3 notes you give to Meera. This is what you gave to Meera. So 100 rupees, 17 notes are there with you in your locker, in your galla, the typical Indian galla. Now, next day neighbor comes back. He gives you this 2000 rupee back. He gives you this 2000 rupee back. What you need to give is add 3 notes from your own pocket. Add 3 notes from your own pocket. Look, previous day you gave this note to him. He gave you 20. You gave 3 notes to Meera from the same 17 you kept in your own locker. Next day he comes back, he gives you this 2000 rupee note which is fake, so you tear it off. You give him these notes which were given by him, 3 extra from your pocket. So what all you gave cycle to Meera which costed you rupees 1200. This is cycle's cost price. Plus 300 rupees. Now whichever way you want to understand. From these 23 gone to Meera. So next day you put 3 from your pocket, or the other way what I explained earlier, whichever way you gave cycle, you gave 300. So total your loss is 1500. The total loss amount is 1500. Now let's quickly check it. The best way I thought is with neighbor, you give him 2000, gives 20 rows of 100 back. Next day he comes back, he gives you this note, you give him 20. How you give? Forget. What you got, you gave back. What you gave, you got back. You tear this note. Now what all has happened with neighbor, there is no loss. Meera, you have given 1200 rupees cost cycle plus 300 rupee cash. So total, look, I need not explain you. If you want me to explain you, the mark price was 2000. You gave 15% this thing discount. So 1700 is the selling price. I've already told you basics of any topic we're not doing here. As of moment we're not doing any basics of any topics. Other way I could have explained you. Neighbor gave you 2000 rupees, 20 notes. You give 3 to Meera. Forget about this. You keep 17 with you. Next day you tear off this thing. You put 3 from your pocket. You have already given cycle to Meera and 3 notes next day. Whichever way you want to understand, but the answer has to be that way. What all goes out of your pocket is your loss amount.